Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and system restore our PC. Our PC is running really slow. Very easy steps. So we're just going to go to our start button here. Then we're going to go to our power button. Then we're going to go ahead and hold the shift button and then hit restart. As you hit the shift button and it restarts, you will go to a menu and it will give you a bunch of options. So here's our menu. Then we're gonna go to Troubleshoot. Then we're gonna go to reset this PC. I'm gonna go ahead and restore the whole PC. This PC is doing bad right now, so the best thing to do is remove everything and start from scratch. See here, we got to this section here, reset this PC. All you gotta do is just give it some time and it'll go ahead and do what it has to do. See here, it's giving me options to remove my files. You have the option just to remove my files or fully clean the drive. This PC is gone, so fully clean my drive is my option today. So here, reset this PC. We're gonna go ahead and hit reset. And once you go forward, you cannot go back. So make sure this is what you want. Alright, so my computer did what it had to do, and now it's back to its original way when I first bought it. So if you can see here, it's restored to the original setting. So now I can just go ahead and start using the computer as it was brand new. See, there we go. It's very easy. So you just follow the steps and you got your computer right back on. Thank you guys. Have a great day.